Okay, guys. I want to talk about real quick about delisting companies, NKLA, and how this system actually really does avoid a lot of this really, really bad news that happens, right? Because we know, I just want to show you like one of the worst companies to probably get into, and that is NKLA. I know a lot of people are trying to buy this. I mean, look at the massive volume on this thing: 46 million, 32, 110 million. 80 million, and it's kind of crazy. But if you look at the if you guys aren't aware, I'm pretty sure if you bought this stock, you guys are aware that the stock is going to be suspended on February 26th. All right, so on February 26, 2025, because they are getting delisted, they received on February 19th received a letter from NASDAQ knowing that the staff had determined that company securities will be delisted from NASDAQ. So going anywhere near into this delisting is absolutely crazy. I know a lot of people like to play the bounces on a delistment. I highly encourage not to do that. That is straight up gambling, and you probably have a better shot at slot machines, in my opinion. But yeah. So if you look at my system here, a lot of the times is where does this really bad news and where does this move go up to make you, if you did want to play it here, I always buy it at this lower band here, right? Price will revert back to the mean, which is this EMA 20. And you see that happen from this low here was an over, it was 100% gain, which is nuts, right? Because price will come back to the EMAs. We know that that's a truth. It's a fact. Now, would I have expected EMA 20? No, I'm not going to say, yeah, I knew that was going to happen. I wouldn't even touch this stock, to be honest. I don't play, when I see delistment, guys, I don't play it. All right. I just think there's better opportunities out there, and this is where a lot of people are just going to get their accounts blown to shreds. I'm just kind of surprised I see this much volume on this thing, but yeah. So NKLA is getting hammered. They filed for bankruptcy. There was another EV stock I remember way back in the day. Forget the name of it. It tends to be the thing. A lot of these EV stocks are doing this. EV stocks are really risky. Um, so do keep that in mind in itself. But it had a nice little gain right here. If you got greedy and went back for it, then obviously you got wrecked. This thing is down 32%. Hasn't had a real size bounce unless right here in this upper lower ATR4. And you can see how if you look at my lower time frames, you get a nice little sizable bounces right here. That was 20% and literally a blink of an eye. Let me see what that 1 minute chart looked like. See how fast that went down. Yeah, you see right in here when price hits my lower Keltner channel. And this is all this is. If you're going to trade this, you better get in and out. Maybe day trade it if you wanted to. We went to a low of 23 cents to a high of 27 cents. We went back to the reversion of the mean. Lower time frames will hit the reversion of the mean faster. So look at this. We haven't touched the 20 and 50. Price comes back to touch the 50. What happens? The 50 gets rejected. It goes down. Tries again. Reject, reject, reject. And then we finally get above the 50 and we make a little uptrend and then we go back down. But you see price moves in waves, right? I love the 15-minute chart. It gives me a nice signal to say, hey, is this extremely oversold? If you want to take a shot at it, you can. This is more of a day trading stock. At least it has nice volume for that. I just would not swing trade this thing. February 26th, that's really coming up on Wednesday. Maybe you might get your pump tomorrow. Maybe it's a pump after, before the delistment. I know a lot of people play those kind of things, just not really my type. It doesn't even matter what the chart says because any terrible news will wreck any charting software. So just keep that in mind. But we had a reversion to the mean. Where did the bad news come out? Where did the big move go down? Went right down here. When you see this EMA 20, I tell everyone, you're in a downtrend. Get the heck out, right? You see price in a downtrend, so every pump's going to get shorted. We go down, we look for that extreme time distance, we look for price to be near a lower counter channel, get the massive pump, go straight down, okay? If you guys want to see this strategy in real time, see my alerts, you guys are more than welcome to come in. I just wanted to make this quick video to say, hey, even on the crappiest stocks out there, even on the bankruptcy stocks, price still did a reversion to the mean. I would have never played it on the 20. I would definitely got this nice 50 EMA 5 or 10 at the very least. But with this kind of thing, like I said, day trade it. But if you guys want to see this system in action, see my alerts, see my how to set up your chart and everything, join the Discord below. Click the link down below in the YouTube comments below in the description. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. I think you guys are going to be really impressed with what we developed in here. I have lots of different types of strategies. I have trading against the trend, which what you just saw right now for NKLA. I have trading with the trend, and I have a day trading strategy that is literally insane. This thing has literally made so much money every day that I'm really thinking like, I'm trying to show the world the world how to do this. Um, it's very easy to do, but a lot of people think it's complicated because I do credit spreads and they see these words. They're like, you have two legs. I will show you guys everything that you need to do. If you're getting frustrated with swing trading, this whole market has been hard swing trading the past 2 weeks. It has been really hard, okay? But click the link down below to join. Hit how to subscribe. Basically, all you have to do, I mean, if you want to read how to subscribe, all you have to do is hit day trade alerts. It'll pop up this screen right here, and when all these channels are going to be an asterisk, so you don't have access to them. But like I said, I'm going to give you guys a discount of a lifetime that will never go up in price. $12 a month, where you get access to my swing trades, day trades, and everything. You guys are going to love it. If you subscribe, do it on your computer to avoid the iOS fee. And if you're not from the U.S., it might charge you a little extra. So don't feel like you're not getting the deal. You're getting a good deal too. And if you have an Android, subscribe on your computer because they're having issues. But if you do that, you'll avoid the iOS fee. So try to subscribe on your computer. You guys are gonna really love this. Swing trade alerts. I just alerted something after hours here. You never know. Whenever I see a setup, I'm watching the market, guys. I'm in that trade. I made massive money on it before. Day trade alerts. We have been making money every day. I had one loss, two losses in January, my bad, and one loss in February. It's been really good, guys. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Give this video a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the Discord. Peace out.